Hello everyone, welcome to LinkedInPower.com and this is me, Nicholas of Nicholas.I.PH. So it's Friday, February 8th, and Friday night is here in Manila. It's 9:30 a.m. So, which means not too late to not hear reading. Right now, he is eating McFlurry from McDonald's. Say hi, Carlos. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh. As you've noticed, he's wearing the same shirt that he used in the first video vlog, and he has a new haircut. So, yun. Nilalagyan naman niya yung damit niya. Actually, it's his favorite shirt to wear underneath. Okay, so he's asking to watch this Korean DVD. Pero nagugustuhan na niya sa DVD is yung first part. So what are the plans for today? So I am planning to buy something from my mom. I'm planning to buy polvoron from Goldilocks and Magic Skin. Yes, Magic Skin. Ito rin yung gusto ng mga kababayan natin abroad. So then I'm planning to buy some pizza later for this little boy over here. Say hi. Say hi. Ayan. So, wala pa akong tulog kasi hindi na ako natulog sa babukan. Though, hindi ako while papunta dito. So, yan. I just want to make the most out of the last 2 days. So, you guys posted on what will happen, and I assure you that I'll be updating you cardiaclinic.com often na kasi dun na ako medyo emotional, and so see you guys. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget to link us up. Yes, bye bye.